Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are making a chuck roast, and so it's gonna be, I think this was like 3 to 4 pounds of chuck roast. So go ahead and do garlic powder, some onion powder. I throw in some smoked paprika, put some salt, pepper on, and you're gonna also cook this into put it into the crock pot, for about 8-ish hours. So go ahead and throw it into the crock pot, fill it up with water. I'm going to go ahead and put some carrots in there as well, but I only added them after it had been cooking for about 4 to 5 hours. You don't want your carrots to be super soggy. So with about 2 hours left, go ahead and put your carrots and potatoes in. So you're just going to basically, however big you want your potatoes, I cut mine into fours like that and toss them in. And you're going to let them cook for about another 2-ish hours. And I'm gonna make mashed potatoes as well and put it over top of mashed potatoes. So you see it's shredding pretty easily. I'll probably let it cook for about 30 more minutes at this point, while the mashed potatoes are getting ready. And basically, go ahead and get your mashed potatoes ready. Throw in some milk, butter, and get them all fluffy. Um, so they can go onto a plate, and then you're gonna put the roast on top of that. And go ahead and put some salt, pepper on them as well. Keep mixing it together, and then this is what it's going to look like. Really good, really simple meal, not too hard. But yeah, try it yourself and let me know. Thank you.